to our channel. If this is your first time here, I'm Edna.
And I'm Alexandria.
And we are a mother-daughter team.
We do lifestyle, entertainment, and decor videos that we upload every week. So make sure you subscribe to our channel.
And ring that notification bell.
Spring is basically here, so it's really time to refresh our homes.
And we're gonna show you how we did it on a budget.
One of the ways we really like to bring spring into our homes is through florals. And although I love florals, I really wanted something more modern.
Yeah, you're not even 30, and so you want to keep your florals looking nice and fresh and definitely more modern. So a key thing when picking your florals is to pick something that has a little bit more of an architectural style to it, and that way it looks fun and modern.
And really unique too in my space.
The beauty of using modern architectural florals is that it's honestly extremely easy. We had this beautiful crystal vase, and sorry about that. I inadvertently picked off one of the little stems and I was able to put it right back on. You're just gonna open up maybe some of the little branches and you're done. For another floral, we're going to be using these different little flowers, which are super cute. And when designing your floral arrangements, our tip is remember to always stick to maybe odd number of stems. So we're gonna use 5 of these and we're gonna use 3 of these. And my suggestion to you, and I guess a little tip, is to not cut them. Maybe let's just fold them over, because if you ever want to redesign, repurpose them, you still have the flexibility of using them however you want.
Now that the florals are all set and done, thanks Mom, we are gonna put them in their new homes. This big, beautiful floral is actually gonna stay here in my dining room because it really does make a statement. And let me take you to where we're putting this really cute pink one. We're gonna put this really cute floral here in my living room, so we need to find a new home for my living snake plant, which I have not killed. It is one of the easiest plants to take care of, promise.
If you watched our Friendsgiving decor video, which is I guess right here, you'll notice that we really believe in swapping out pillows or adding pillows to really change the vibe. And speaking of florals, we found this adorable one. We loved it. It's perfect for the look that we're going for. And now we're just gonna move some of these other ones to make sure we update the whole look. A great low-cost switch is to change out your heavy throws for something that is light colored and also very lightweight. A great way to stay on budget is to create vignettes. Those are little areas that tell a story using items that you already own and just moving them from different areas.
So remember how we pulled my snake plant from the window? Well, we needed to find it a new home. So we're actually gonna style it here on my coffee table with the tray that we grabbed from the entryway. What I like about the tray is I can keep my remotes kind of corralled here since this is where I am most of the time. And last but not least, one of our easy fixes to update or refresh your home for spring is switching out your candles. For the fall and winter, I like a darker scented candle, and right now for spring, I'm gonna pull in a coconut milk mango candle. One of our favorite things to do is switch up things that you already own, and I really want to show off this really cool piece of art that I got on a recent girls trip. It's just so cute and it's really light, and I'm gonna put it in this frame that we got from Hobby Lobby. even better, the frame was 40% off with a coupon. And it already comes with the mat, so you don't have to do any of the guessing work. It is ready to be displayed. Pop this out. I like to put that back for some extra reinforcements. And hopefully I didn't put it upside down. Now it is all set. It turned out so beautiful and I can't wait to use it here in the home.
And the last tip that we have for you to stay on budget is to DIY your own wreaths. And we show you how in one of our fall entryway videos, but it is so important and it really adds that little spring decor. It's the first thing that people see.
So I loved the way the space turned out.
The way beautiful,
right? I feel like it's really true to my style.
It is, and let us know in the comment section down below how you like to decorate for spring.
If you don't already, make sure you give us a follow on our Instagrams,
which will be linked down below so that you can get to know us better
and see some of the behind the scenes from some of our videos.